In a small village at the edge of an extraordinary forest, there lived a girl named Lily. The villagers often told stories about the magical forest, saying it was filled with challenges that only the bravest could overcome. One day, Lily decided to venture into the forest to prove her courage. As she walked deeper into the forest, she encountered a giant talking tree. The tree said, "To pass, you must solve my riddle." Lily took a deep breath and listened carefully. She used her wit and figured out the answer, and the tree let her pass. Now she found a river with no bridge. A wise owl perched nearby said, "You must build a raft from the fallen branches." Lily gathered the branches, tied them together, and floated across the river, feeling proud of her resourcefulness. Finally, Lily reached a towering mountain with a hidden cave. Inside the cave, a dragon guarded a treasure. The dragon roared, "Only those with true courage may pass." Lily stood tall and spoke bravely, explaining her journey and her desire to prove herself. Impressed by her bravery, the dragon allowed her to take a piece of the treasure. Lily returned to her village with stories of her adventure and a newfound confidence. She had faced extraordinary challenges and proved that with courage and determination, anything is possible. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Now, let's review your listening. Please answer these 3 questions. Did Lily encounter a talking tree in the forest? How did Lily cross the river? A. She swam across. B. She built a raft. C. She flew over it. Question 3. What did the dragon guard in the cave? Thanks for listening and participating. The more you practice, the more you learn. Bye for now.